You are this person's home, want you to let them in. A table talk with you, build this relationship in something that beautiful. Another possibility, sometimes you feel like maybe this person is divided into two things. This person to choose between something else, beautiful, blessed relationship, happiness awaited you now. Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your new moon reading for the month of November. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidelines from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I will use this pattern. This is easy for both of us to understand what is happening in your love life and what is happening in your person's mind, what their attention towards you, what their current feelings towards you, what their situation. Okay, Libra, let's get started. What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attention towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and attentions towards Libra? And one card is already, popped up. It's Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and the Judgment. So what are the Libra's feelings toward this person? So what are the Libra's feelings toward this person? And we are having here Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Sword, Ten of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. So what are the mutual energies? So what are the mutual energies? And we are having here the Empress, Three of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. It could be any Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ten of Cups. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Nine of Swords and Ace of Swords. Aquarius with this Empress. Okay, Libra, let's talk about your person's feeling first. And your person is see you like this is Ten of Cups. They feel like that you are so like marriage material, you are wish fulfillment, you are completion of love. They feel like that they will complete with you. If they are with you, they feel like a home. You are this person's home, Libra, and this person is waiting for you. This person want you to let them in. You are this person's happiness, you are this person's completion. They are dreaming to have this beautiful family with you. With this Empress as well, I can say that this person really wanna be in your life forever, and this person is waiting you to let them in. They feel like that you are perfect marriage material for them. And with this Judgment card, this person want a second chance, a table talk with you. They want to talk to you face to face. They want to, they want to talk to you about, they want to, because they realize that you are their, completion of love. You are their, happy family. You are their, you are marriage material. That's why this person want to talk to you. This person want a second chance. This person want a, a table talk with you face to face. And this person feels like that you are so generous, you are so giver, you are so supportive. You support them, you always stood by their side, you always support them. With the Six of Pentacles, they can feel it now. They want a second chance with you, and this person is waiting for you. This person want you to let them in. This person want you to be make them the part of their life, because this person see you like this Ten of Pentacles. This person see you like a Ten of Cups. They feel like that you are Ten of Pentacles as well in your chart as well. So this person, there is some, a beautiful connection between both of you. Like this person see you like a family, like you give them a family, and there is, you are, you are in this Ten of Pentacle energy. You with this, Ten of Pentacle, you can give this person a beautiful traditional family with strong roots. You can give this person strong roots. And with this Ace of Pentacle, you want someone, you want this person to understand you and grow, to work on with you, to growing this relationship, to build this relationship in something that beautiful, something that beautiful. And you are like that. You can give this person a beautiful, family, but the thing is that you want to, there is some kind of restrictions, there is some kind of sharp edges in you, in your life, and between this person and in this person's life, and you want to take a knife and cut all these sharp edges and make it softer for you. You want this new beginning, and you want this fresh start with this person, and this is the what is happening between both of you. This is some kind of nightmare for you. Nine of sword, you are in nine of sword energy, you are in depression, you are in some kind of anxiety, you are losing your sleeps, and you are not in a good health as well. There is something wrong. uh, there is some kind of insecurities you feel toward this person, and these insecurities is your making you restless, making you sleepless. And with this Empress card, as I told you before, this person see you like this Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. Like this person see you like this Empress. They feel like that you are so like motherly, you are so kind, you are so, you're like you making your environment beautiful. You sometimes you don't have to do anything, you just sit there and shine and make your environment beautiful with your kindness, with your radiating beautiful energies. They feel like that. And in with this Three of Pentacles, this person want to build a strong connection, a strong relationship with you, and you also want this person to build a strong, stable relationship with you. You guys are like willing to work on this connection. You want to build this beautiful connection between both of you. So let's see what else we have for you. Okay, we are having here Two of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So what is the outcome of this situation, Libra? What is the outcome? We are having here the Lovers. Such a beautiful outcome. And with this Two of Pentacles, this person is right now multiple. This is this person's situation. This person is right now juggling with two things. This person is like dealing with multiple things, or maybe two things, and not finding a right balance. Maybe between their emotional life and their practical life, they are not finding a right balance and juggling the two things, and they are not in a good balance right now. And you want this person to offer you stability, long-term commitment. You want this person to give you a stable, fair relationship, a long-term relationship. And right now this person is juggling with two things. This person is busy with their things and with their practical life and emotional life, and they are not finding a right balance right now. And you are this like Hierophant. You are in some kind of spiritual something, it's something in spiritual in you, and you want this person a marriage, a commitment. You want from this person a long-term commitment and a marriage. And with this Lovers card, this person, the way you guys met, it's destiny, it's destined, it's fated to meet. It's destined to meet you guys. If you guys met, there is a reason, and this relationship is blessed. You feel like that this relationship is blessed, and this relationship is, this person is the one. And you this person feel like that you are the one. This is, you can feel this, the Lovers card. And also another possibility, sometimes you feel like that you are divided, or maybe this person is divided into two things, and they need to choose. With this Two of Pentacles, I can say that this person, the way this person is dealing with two things, you want this person to choose between you and the other thing. There is maybe a slight possibility of third party, and this third party could be anyone, their family, their friend, their work, the other third party. It could be anyone, and you want this person to choose between this beautiful blessed relationship, or they want to choose their you want to be their first priority. But right now this person's first priority is something else, and you want this person to choose between something else and you, Libra. You want this person, there is some kind of choice for you as well. As Lovers outcome, multiple possibilities, like maybe some kind of choices for you as well, and you want this person to choose between something else and you. This is the Lovers all about. You guys are met, okay, this is destiny, it's destined to meet. And now you have to to give this person this Ten of Pentacles and this Ten of Cups, and you need to work on this connection, and you need to with this Lovers card, you need to choose between this beautiful relationship and this disbalance, the thing that making this person's disbalance. So okay, so let's see what message from your angel. What message from your angel? What message from your angel for Libra? You are at the end of a circle in your life. Call upon your angels to comfort you and to guide you to your next step. Happiness awaited you now. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, if this, yes, it's relevant. With this Lovers card and with this message from your angel, it's beautiful. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Believe in destiny, work for your success, face your fears, prayer, learn from your mistakes. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person see you like you are the completion, you are their wish fulfillment, and they are waiting for you, and they want a table talk with you because you always support them, and they feel like that you will again support them. With this Two of Pentacles, this person is juggling with multiple things, and they want to accept from you, you will support them again. But in your side, this person's like the way this person is juggling with multiple things, this is your nightmare. This is because of this person's indecisive, imbalanced situation. You feel some kind of depression and anxiety in you, and you want to cut off all this depression and anxiety, and you want fairness, you want equality, you want to be purity and center of attention of this person, and you want commitment and marriage from this person. And this person need to choose, and there is some kind of choices between the something else and you. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.